If you remember, the Oppo A3S last year had not performed that great and wasn't able to pass the light splashing round. So how far can the Oppo A5s go against water abuse? Most of you following the channel must be well aware by now that the Oppo A5s is a budget device and hence won't be provided with any water resistance. But to what extent can it handle water accidents? Let's find out in this video. As usual, starting the water test by checking the layer of oleophobic coating on this tempered glass protection. Oppo, as well as every Realme device, always has this pre-applied screen protector and absolutely 0% of oleophobic coating on the displays. Maybe they don't find it necessary by installing this plastic screen protector, and it also serves them as a cost-cutting measure. Anyways, it is the same with the Oppo A5s, as it also totally lacks an oleophobic layer, which would have helped in reducing fingerprint smudges. As you can see, the water lies flat on the glass surface instead of forming droplets, since there is no oleophobic coating. The most common effect of water on phones with no water resistance is low distorted audio from the external speakers, which may last for a few seconds, or many hours, which can damage the sound or the display unit. Besides that, there have been cases of display issues like screen flickering on some devices, or the display getting damaged on the Asus Zenfone 5Z. Many devices are not able to reach the heavy drenching round. So will the Oppo A5s get past light splashing onto heavy drenching? Fortunately, the Oppo A5s, a device with no water resistance, does much better than the A3s. It has the ability to handle heavy water abuse for a few seconds without suffering any damage to the display or any other functions and passes the test.